Welcome to our home. Let's take you inside and show you what it's all about. Hi there, I'm Rhys.
Hi, I'm Amy.
We've got 3 daughters. We've also got 2 Labradors.
So we've been fostering with Foster Wales for nearly a year now. The best bit about fostering is being able to give a child the security, the love, the support, the encouragement.
This hallway takes us straight through to the kitchen where we have our Sunday dinners. I do a mean Sunday roast, and Amy can often be seen playing with the kids, making cakes or doing other baking as well. We really cherish the friendships that we've made as a result of fostering. It's an amazing community as well to be a part of. Let's show you the garden. There's the big trampoline. This is Lola. Say hello, Lola. And that is Lucy in the background. They love a good belly rub.
What we like to do as a family is go out for walks down to the local beach and take the dogs. The girls are dancers as well, so we do a lot of dance competitions. And this is where we play our family board games around the table, normally after a nice family meal. The best thing about coming to stay with us and being part of our family is the fact that there's lots of love, there's lots of entertainment.
So that's a little bit about us and our family and our house.
Thank you very much for watching.